I am reviewing this dual dash cam made by Kingslim, and right out of the box is what you get right in front of me, which would include a micro cable, USB micro cable to charge an internal battery for the dash cam, and also a cable that fits into your car charger. Hey, a couple of things about this dual cam that I want you to know about, and here's the the rear camera. Actually, this is the rear camera facing the vehicle, the LCD screen, and then this is the front camera. Hey, there's a lot of really unique features, and at the end of this video, you will see the 1080p resolution. So I did about 30 seconds worth of recording so that you could actually see it. But this is a unique and really impressive dual dash cam. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on because again, it has an internal battery there. You can see the level of charge right there in the battery. And the reason for this is that when you have it set for parking monitoring, and if someone bumps the vehicle or if something hit the vehicle, this camera will immediately start to record. And so I have it here set to where I could let you view it without the camera actually working. As you can see here, dual feed here, and that can always be changed. So if you don't want it to view through the rear camera, you can change that. Or if you only want to view through the rear camera, I mean, you just got a lot of options that you have with this particular GPS dash cam. And another thing about this dash cam that I do like is that once you have downloaded the app, as I have right here, you can actually remotely control this dash cam. That's correct. You can remotely control this dash cam using an app. And so it's a tough little camera. I've dropped it a few times. And so it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't look cheap. Nothing about it suggests that it is a knockoff of some sort. It really is a pretty good technologically advanced dash cam. So let me just go ahead and just show you very quickly on how you would use the camera and your mobile device. Again, I have the mobile device up. What I have to do now is, right here, this is screensaver. So what it does is, and of course, it is set at 7:41 p.m. Well, anyway, yes, that's the screensaver that I have on. So let's go ahead and let me just, I'm going to have to do this, turn it in my direction here and go ahead. And so right here, what I'm actually doing is going to find the setting that will, and then go down to Wi-Fi right here, and then turn it on. So this is how it actually looks through the LCD. But what it has done here is set to where now I just use the app. Let me just go ahead, turn it in my direction for just a moment. And I'm going to have to go to settings and turn it on, but that won't take but just a second. Turn on the Wi-Fi, and okay, so my Wi-Fi is on. I'll go back and so right here, this is the view of this camera. is face down, so that's why it looks the way it does. But as you can see, I was trying to expand that. Bear with me a moment. Let's see. Can I do it? And so my camera, this dash camera, is actually showing through my mobile device what's going on. Hey, I give this a 5-star rating. It is really impressive on so many levels. There are so many options you have through the app that really does make this dash cam unique, technologically advanced. Hey, there's nothing not to like. I like everything about it. I give this one a 5-star rating.
Hello guys, today I want to give a quick demonstration of this dual 1080p car dash cam, and as well as I want to give you guys a quick unboxing for this type of dash cam. So first of all, I want to go over the general features that this dash cam offers. It offers dual 1080p camera, which is basically it takes a video of what's going on in the front, and as well as what's going on inside the cabin. The video quality is really great. It has a night vision, very good night vision. It has a Wi-Fi with an application, and have a GPS tracker. And let's put this guy aside, and let's actually open it and see what's inside the box. And as you guys can see, you guys will get the adapter. This that gets plugged into the car, and this gets plugged into the 12-volt outlet of the vehicle. It does come with the cable that you have to plug it into, the adapter, and then from the adapter you'll just plug it into the camera, the device. And as well as it does come with clippers as well for you to, run the wire around, so you don't have to have the wire of the camera hanging right in front of you. So you can actually hide it and use those that they can get stuck on the vehicle, and you can put the wire. As you guys can see, this is how the wire gets clipped into these type of clippers. Pretty unique features. As well as we will get the tool, and this is basically used for you to hide the wire, to put the wire in between the this panel right here, and you can basically run the wire through here and all the way down, and you can use this tool to put the wire to hide it. And it does come with a USB 32 gigabytes. This is really awesome. Not a lot of dash cams offer that, so this is very good. It is very good that they actually include an SD card, because they don't record without an SD card, so that's really fantastic. And of course, we'll get the dash cam camera. So let me go ahead and put this guy in, and I'll get back to you in just a minute. Okay guys, I do have the camera running, and all I did is I inserted the SD card that it comes with it, and I put the 12-volt in a cigarette lighter, the cigarette lighter, and basically I attached it to the camera, and this is what you get. So in order for you to go to settings to explore all different types of feature that this thing offers, you just click on those buttons right here, and each button simulates whatever it shows on the bottom. So if I want to go to settings, I click that one, and then here I can go all the way to settings, and this is where I can hit OK. And here I can get all kinds of features that it offers, and I can scroll up and down. Screensaver, time display, Wi-Fi, date and time, time system, beep sound, language, parking sensor. A lot of things that this guy can offer. And that's about it. In terms of mounting it, it's super easy. All you have to do is just put it on the windshield and run the wire, like I showed you guys, through here, go all the way across, all the way down, and then that's it. I like to go underneath here, this panel, and all you have to do is just plug this bad boy here and you're all set. And thank you guys so much for watching. It's a very enjoyable product. I really like all the features that it offers, and yeah, thank you.